Hello folks, we are once again back with the next video of this exercise 7.2. We had finished till the problem number 11. Now it's going to be the problem number 12. As we have seen that in this exercise, we are going to do all the problems which are based on substitution. So it has to be a substitution which helps us to make the integral little more simpler, and that's how we go on to integrate over here. So in the last videos we were observing that we will try to look at the better complicated function, and that also we are not going to substitute the entire thing. We will take a part of it and then substitute. That is what we were learning from what we did till now. So let's continue over here. Here we've got two parts in this problem number 12. This is one part and this is the other part. Obviously this function looks more complicated. X cube minus 1 raised to 1 over 3. I told you more or less we will always take the base. We'll not go in for the exponent when we do the substitution. So here right away let's take the substitution as x cube minus 1. U be x cube minus 1. So your du over dx is going to be 3x squared. 1 doesn't have a differential. So du can become 3x squared dx. Here we observe we require x squared dx. So let's push the 3 on the other side. So du over 3 is going to be x squared dx. Like that, your integral now gets converted as u raised to 1 over 3 times du over 3. So that's because this is u and u raised to 1 over 3, and the other part it's du over 3. So when we write it, it will be 1 over 3 times u raised to 1 over 3 du. So that's very clear to us that it's going to be u raised to 1 over 3 plus 1 by 1 over 3 plus 1 plus c. So when we work it out, it will be 1 over 3 times u raised to this, it's over 1, 3, 3. So 4 over 3, u raised to 4 over 3 and 3 over 4 plus c. So you have this cancelled. So your overall answer is going to be 1 over 4. We have to revert back. U is our creation. So it's going to be x cube minus 1 raised to 4 over 3 plus c. That's your answer. 1 over 4 times x cube minus 1 whole raised to 4 over 3 plus c. That's your answer for the problem number 12. Now once that is over, let's quickly move to the problem number 13, which says that they're all of the same category. So let's take this problem number 12. It says that it is I equal to integral of dx. So let's check now how this comes up. Let's have this. As I told you, you have got it's very clear to us now that the denominator is going to be u. So yeah, as I told you, we'll take the the better complicated one, and part of it we will take it as a thing. So let u be 2 plus 3x squared. So when you take the derivative du over dx, 2 doesn't have a derivative, and derivative of 3x squared is, for x squared the derivative is 2x, so it is 6x. Oh, let me see. I've not written it correctly. It's x cube. Very sorry, this is x cube. So it's going to be 3x squared. So like that, because you require x squared dx over here, it is du over 9 becoming x squared dx. So let's revert back and let's see what's the value of I that comes up. I will be du over 9, and this is going to be u cube. So that way you have 1 over 9 u raised to minus 3 du. So when we when we have the integral, it's minus 3 plus 1 over minus 3 plus 1 plus c. That's minus 2. So it's minus 1 over 18 times u raised to minus 2 plus c, which will be 1 over 18 times u raised to minus 2 means it is 2 plus 3x cube raised to minus 2 plus c. When we write it maybe a little more clearly, it is 1 over 18 2 plus 3x cube the whole squared plus c, because there is that raised to minus 2. So that's how it goes to the denominator. Let's quickly go to the 14th question and see what it says. It says that it is I equal to, the integral is x log a raised to m, 1 over x, and log x is raised to m dx. So it's very clear to us that obviously it has to be log x substitution. So let u be log x. So when we take the derivative du over dx, it's going to be 1 over x. So when we make the substitution, du is going to be dx over x, dx over x, that's going to be du. So yeah, I is going to be du over u raised to m, because log x you have assumed it as u. So therefore when we write it, it is u raised to minus m du. So when we integrate minus m plus 1 over minus m plus 1 plus c, or rather it is 1 over 1 minus m, and u for us is log x. So log x raised to 1 minus m plus c. That's about it. That's how we get the values over there. I think that should be all for this video. With more problems, let's meet in the next video. Thank you.